Daddy balloon.
Daddy balloon.
Balloon.
A blue balloon.
Balloon.
Dan?
Balloon.
Dan, can you have this one?
No.
This one isn't working for me so good.
You're doing a balloon, buddy.
There's balloons.
That one
That
okay.
one looks okay.
No, it doesn't to me.
It does to me.
So can you give me?
I like that one.
I hate it. I mean, I don't.
Hey Danny, is that a balloon?
No.
No. Is this a balloon?
No.
Is that an S?
No.
What is it?
N.
N. Is that blue?
Blue, yes.
Yes. Danny, is that blue? Danny?
Balloons. Balloons. Balloon.
Is this red?
Yes.
Is this white? Is this?
What colour is this?
Is this white,
Red.
Dan?
No, this bit. What colour is this bit?
Pink.
Pink.
What's this colour, Dan?
White.
White.
Good job.
He said
Is it white?
Yes.
Yes. Can you do a T?
Yes.
Have you letter T?
Mommy, T, Mom.
Can we do T?
Yes. T.
T.
No T.
Letter T.
T.
What else?
This hour super.
Makes a T sound. T makes a
T.
T sound.
That's what T.
T. Good
Yes.
job.
Do a P.
Yeah, P.
P makes a sound.
How do you do
There's
12,
no.
Mom?
1 and a 2.
1 and then a 2.
T.
T.
No.
No T.
X.
X. You
Yes.
want an X?
Yes. X.
X.
E.
E.
Yes. E.
E.
Daddy.
Should we write Daddy?
Yes. D. S.
D for Daddy.
D. Daddy. Daddy.
A.
A.
What letter's this? What's that one?
E.
D.
D.
What letter's this?
E.
D.
E. Daddy.
What's that one?
L.
Y.
Y.
That says Daddy.
Daddy. 2, 1, 2, extra balloons.
No, they're D's. They're not balloons.
That's balloon S. See?
What's this?
Balloon.
Make it to balloon.
Yes.
And then make it a balloon.
Okay. Balloon.
Good stuff, mate.
Do a circle.
Yes.
Dan, do you want me to draw a circle?
Yes.
Give me your pen.
Oh.
Dan, like that. Balloon.
Balloon. Seagull.
Circle. Can you do a triangle?
Yes.
And then
Mom, sorry.
not on the couch. No, no. I'll take it off you.
Pa.
Give that one back to Dad.
Oh, I want this one.
Come on.